Hi there, this is Holly with Westbrook Marketing, and here is a quick tutorial on adding some new features to your Google business listing. First of all, if you are wondering where to go to get in, you can just simply go to google.com/business/ there you go. Now over here, you're going to go ahead and sign in. You're going to sign in with the Gmail account that manages your Google business listing. Now you're going to see it pop up something like this, which is how your business is listed. And you can scroll right down here and you are going to see where you can see from the business add attributes. So we're going to click on that and you can see that it already says that I have a women-led business. So you can totally check that. If you are identified as a veteran business, you would check that, and so on. So those would be available to you. You can also put COVID information in there, as well as if you require an appointment, if you require masks, etc. And you can also do online appointments. So you can change this as well, so that you can go back in as our situations change. You can go back in and change that as well. And you'll see here that it may take up to 3 days for it to show on search, maps, and other Google services. So you'll just click that to apply. I also want to show you that this is your Google business listing is where you also change your hours. So you can see the hours are here, and those are your standard hours that go out across Google, but you can also now add more hours. So if you have different hours for drive-through, let's say, delivery, even brunch, online hours that you have different, maybe even senior hours or takeout hours, any of the above, you can do those. So if we were to say, for instance, we have drive-through hours, you can go ahead and add those in, and you would just pick the time. So you click and scroll on that and pick like 7 a.m. and then you click or 6:30 and you click and go, and you can see that you can add them to all of them. So if you do have drive-through hours or anything specific, you can do that. If you have a delivery hours, or takeout, or a lot of people are doing senior hours for senior shopping, especially in the retail industry. So you can do those as well. And then you just click to apply again, and those will go out on the search, maps, and Google services. You can also do different things here with this map icon and do specific dates. So I just put this in to be closed on 8/24/21, but you can add a new date. So for instance, if you are closing your store for a vacation, or if you're simply closing your store due to staffing issues, which seems very prevalent right now, you can go ahead and add those dates in, and it just pops up a calendar. Let me drag this down, and you can see, whoops, that you can add a bunch of dates in and just put that you're closed on those dates. And you will see that that goes ahead, and you just click apply. And now it says that you're closed those specific dates. Need more assistance with your Google business or other online marketing, I'm happy to help you. I'm Holly with Westbrook Marketing, and I'm located in Minnesota, but I help people all over the nation with all of their online marketing needs and questions, and even some troubleshooting. If you don't know if you have a Google business profile, go ahead and reach out to me, and I can do a little research to see if your listing has been claimed. As always, I am so glad that you tuned in. I also offer online marketing training to help you stay updated so that you can stay up on the latest social trends, things that are changing in online marketing, and even get training that you need so that you can do your social media with confidence. There is a one-time fee for this, and it pays for the entire year, and I simply keep you updated and cut through all of the clutter so that you don't have to. If you're interested, please let me know, and I'll schedule a free 30-minute consultation with you. You can simply do that by going to my website, westbrackmarketing.com, and there's a button there for a free 30-minute consultation. I'd love to talk further with you, and until then, go out and update your Google business listing and have a wonderful day. Thank you.